Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking at section 3.5 today, which is other reconciliation problems. We talked about in section 3.4 making your bank statement and your check register match up. Now we are looking at those same types of problems, except now we're looking at some different types of errors that could occur when we're doing that. Such as recording a check twice, not putting something into the register, some ATM service fees that you didn't know about, or simply just writing something wrong. Okay, so we'll take a look at an example and then we'll let you get to work. Okay, so for this first example here, your check register balance, all right, CR is 107.87, and your bank statement is 161.96. Okay, so we have these two values. This is what you got in your check register. This is what you got with your bank statement. Now you start looking over your bank statement, and we see that we have that interest earned. So we're going to add in that 43 cents that we've talked about there. Okay, that was the same thing as section 3.4. But we also see that it says an ATM deposit of 56 was on the statement but not in the register. Okay, so you put money into the ATM, or you deposited money into the ATM, but you didn't put that recorded in your check register. So we got to add that in as well. So we got to add in $56. Okay, and now it says you find that check 307 that you wrote. You actually wrote it for $35.29, but you only recorded it as $32.95 in your check register. So you got to fix that. So what that means is now there's going to be a value of $35.29 that needs to come out of your check register because you wrote that check for that amount, but then you add in the $32.95. You add in that amount that you wrote it for originally. You add that back in. Okay, so this is the new amount that you have to take out because the check was written wrong, but you add back in the amount that was wrongly written. And what you do here from here is you add these up because we're trying to reconcile the checking account or the check register. We add these up, and when we do that, we get an answer of $161.96. And so we see that our values match up, they're the same, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, so the last sentence here, reconcile the checking account, it'll tell you to reconcile the register, or it can ask you to reconcile the bank statement. Either one, but basically the same thing still applies. We're trying to make these two items match up. Okay, so that's section 3.5. There's a lot of the same types of problems. They're just worded differently. If you have any questions, make sure you let me know. Otherwise, good luck.